What I wish I knew in Minecraft when I first started. Let's dive into 5 epic hacks that will blow your blocky mind. Today, we're counting down 5 Minecraft hacks you probably didn't know about. Number 1. Ever been chased by a horde of zombies? Just put a door sideways and they'll be stuck, scratching their heads. Hack 2 water elevators. Place a soul sand block underwater and boom, instant elevator. Number 3. Want unlimited fuel for your furnace? Use a bamboo farm. Bamboo grows super fast and keeps your furnace fired up. Hack 4. Need to carry more items? Equip a shulker box. It's like a backpack for all your diamonds and dirt. And finally, number 5. Creeper-proof your house. Cats are creepers' kryptonite. Place some feline friends around and you'll keep those green meanies away. So there you have it, folks. 5 nifty Minecraft hacks to make your blocky adventures even better. Smash that like button if you found these tips helpful and hit subscribe for more awesome tricks. Happy crafting!